Working on exponential functions again. You have your important words: exponential, which is that J shape, your rate, which is your B value, estimate, which means the closest answer, sit right here, and then your y-intercept, which is your A right here, and then your B was right here. Initial value also means A, and starting means A. So remember, when you are increasing, you are going up, and you're going to do 1 plus the percent. When you are decreasing, you are going down, and you're going to do 1 minus the percent. The words that mean y-intercept, initial value, and starting value, those are all going to mean your A value, which is in like the y equals A, parentheses B, x, which is the number that goes in front. So let's try some of the questions. It says, a new car costs $28,500 and depreciates each year. The table below shows the year that the car has been used and the price the car is worth. So you have years and price in dollars. What would be the best approximate price of the car after it is used for 8 years? We see the word approximate, which means closest. And we see it says 8 years, and we know years is x, so we know this is x equals 8. This is for later, okay? But we also know every time we see a table, we have to do Desmos. So we're going to do new table, and we're going to add our values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 4, 5. Then we're going to do 28. If we put that comma, 0, 0, 0, it does not work. Once we put that comma, it does not work. So we need to delete the comma. So we're not going to write these commas. Do not write the commas. Okay? Then you have 22,500. Then you have 18, 1, 2, 3, 14,500, 11,700, 9,400. Then if we zoom out a lot, it kind of looks like a line, but we know it says depreciate, so we know this means exponential. Depreciate means exponential. So it's going to be y1 squiggly line A parentheses B parentheses little bitty x 1. And it kind of connects our dots. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do x equals 8. And we're going to see where those two lines intersect. So we have our J shape, and we're going to see where those two things intersect. I'm going to zoom in even more. And just follow the purple line up, because that's 8. So it's going to be a little bit. And we want them to be touching. They're getting closer. Not yet. Ah, right there. See how the point kind of popped up? That's what you want. So you have 8, 4862.984. So we know x is 8. We are looking for our y value. So we have 4,862. So we're looking for 4862. And our closest answer to that is going to be A. All right, then let's go to the next question. It says a student used f of x equals 5.00 parentheses 1.012 parentheses x to show how the balance in the savings account will increase over time. What does the 5.0 represent? So remember, we have this. We know that the 5 is our A value, which is our initial amount or starting. It's also our y-intercept. Then we have our B, which is our rate. But we're not even worried about B, so don't even worry about it. Anything that has an answer, get rid of it. So A says, the interest the saving account earned after the first year. We don't have anything first. We're looking for these words right here, so get rid of A. The annual interest rate of the savings account. Rate, we know, was B, so get rid of that. The number of years the saving account has earned interest. Remember, we're looking for these words, so this doesn't have those words. Then C, the starting balance of the savings account. Starting. So D would be my answer. So let's keep going. I think I'm going to get rid of Desmos now. Alright, so it says an insect population after X months can be modeled by the function g of x equals 18, parentheses 1.3, parentheses x. Which statement is best interpretation of one of the values in the function? So it says the insect population increases by 13 insects each month. Increase means that we're looking at this number right here. And remember, this is part of a percent. And this is 13, 1.3. That does not match. But this is increase. So 1.3 is bigger than 1. So it is increasing. Meaning, get rid of decreasing. So we're going to eliminate the decreasing. These cannot be my answers. But if we wanted to be sure, because now we know it's H, the insect population increased at a rate of 30%. We would do, so I know it's increased, it'd be 1 plus 30%. For this one, it's decreased, that would be 1 minus 30%. If you didn't remember the rules of the definitions, you could do it mathematically. So you do 1 plus 30, then this little symbol right here, percent, control equals, that equals 1.3. Equals 1.3, that's good. So H is my answer. If you did 1 minus 30%, control enter, that gives you 0.7, which is not the correct answer. So it would be H. And if you have any questions, let us know. Have a great day.